Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, hello, hi, and welcome to my kitchen. This is me, Firdaus Nurain, with you, and I'm really thankful to the Emirates Culinary Guild for giving us a wonderful opportunity to share our recipes through their platform. And I think we are really thankful to you. Thank you once again to the Emirates Culinary Guild. And today, the recipe which I'm going to share is a chicken recipe, which is a chicken Swiss roll, which we will be seeing how we can make it, along with a very flavored stuffing where I'm going to use walnut and chicken to fill the stuffing. And also we are going to prepare a very delicious and a creamy avocado soup to be served along with this tea with some sauteed vegetables. So I'm sure this recipe is very healthy for you all to try it. And please do like this recipe and share this recipe as much as possible. So let's start with the recipe now. So let's quickly see the ingredients that we need in order to make the recipe. The chicken Swiss roll stuffed with mousse, creamy avocado soup and sauteed veggies. Here I'll be using around 400 grams of chicken breast, which is already cleaned, 50 grams of walnut, 1 strand of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of oregano and basil, which is dry leaves. You can use fresh ones if you get it. 1 small tomato chopped finely, half onion chopped finely, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves, which is chopped finely. We need cooking cream, which is around 200 ml for the soup. And here I'll be using food grade plastic wrap in order to boil my chicken rolls. And butter 100 gram with avocado 2 and a few spring onions. So these are the vegetables which I will be using in order to saute in the last. I will saute this using some nice honey and lemon and black pepper. Okay, to begin with, I have taken a pan and adding around 10 to 15 grams of butter to it, and I'm just going to melt the butter and then add on my walnuts along with rosemary leaves and around 1 small teaspoon of dry red chili flakes. Now I'm going to roast this well until my walnuts are beautifully roasted, and once it is roasted, I will add salt to it. Once I add the salt, I will roast once again for another 1 or 2 minutes well, and then set this aside until it cools down. I'm going to prepare my chicken for the Swiss roll. Here the chicken breast, I'm just going to slit open it in such a way that it is flattened, and whatever the remaining chicken is, I mean the extra chicken is, I'm just going to cut it off so that it doesn't disturb while we roll out the chicken. And that chicken which we are cutting, the remaining chicken which we are cutting it, we will be using that for preparing in the mousse. So here you go, you see the nice flat chicken is ready and the leftover chicken is there for the mousse. Now add the walnuts to the blender once it's completely cooled down, and the leftover chicken which you have taken out from that breast pieces, you can add that as well and prepare a fine paste out of it. So this is the mousse which we are looking in for stuffing in. Now here what I'm going to do is, to the chicken, I'm just going to flatten the chicken with the help of a hammer, and once it is well flattened enough so that it will become easy for me to roll it out. Now to this chicken we will be applying ginger garlic paste first. So I'm using a spatula or a palette knife, anything is convenient, and then after you spread that, sprinkle some black pepper and salt, and then spread the mousse with the palette knife or anything which is convenient for you. Even a bread knife will be convenient to spread it across. Once you spread it, you just need to roll out the chicken well, and with the help of a thread you need to tie the chicken roll so that when you're boiling it, it doesn't wobble in the water. So we just need to tie it up well, and this will also help the chicken to stay intact while boiling, and it will get a beautiful roll. You know, it will not separate from the chicken from the mousse. Once you roll it, here I'm using that food grade plastic wrap which I showed you. This is 100% safe, so you have to use something which is safe for your chicken to be rolled, or else you can also steam the chicken. So if you don't have a plastic wrap or something that you can boil the chicken in for, then go for a steam. Here I have a nice semi-boiled water there which I'm going to dip my chicken into it, and this is going to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes in a medium flame. While this is getting boiled, let's prepare for the avocado soup. Now for the avocado soup, I'm just going to clean the avocados and remove the skin, peel it off. You can scoop it easily. As you all know, avocado is very easy to scoop. And then we'll just make some small pieces of it. Let me just check on the chicken. Wow, it's beautifully boiling. Okay, now turn the chicken and again boil for another 10 minutes. Okay, let's start with the soup. Here I have taken a pot where I can make a soup. To that pot I'm adding around 75 gram of butter. So once the butter begins to melt, I will be adding finely chopped garlics along with rosemary leaves. And once this turns slightly brown, then I'll add onion, which are finely chopped. Mix the onion well together and saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, let us check on the chicken. Wow, it's been 10 minutes. I'm just going to switch off the flame, remove the chicken and let this cool down first. Let's get back to the soup. The saute part is done now. I'm adding the chopped tomatoes to it and once again saute this. After sauteing, I'll just add the chopped avocados, mix it well. You can add pepper powder to it, around half a teaspoon along with salt, and mix all these ingredients well together. Once this is done, I'm going to add the cream to it. This is around 200 ml of cooking cream. So here, once you add the cooking cream, let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's coming to a nice boiling point. Once it begins to boil, so this is a hand stand blender. So if you have this, it will be very convenient for you to blend the avocados into fine creamy texture. And I'm going to cook this in a very medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it starts bubbling, I'm going to add around 1 glass of water to it and again cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's slightly boiled. Now you can add dry oregano or dry basil or fresh oregano, fresh basil to it at this point of time and bring it to a boil again. I'll be adding some finely chopped spring onions with the spring leaves and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes again. Okay, we can add pepper powder and salt at this point of time according to your taste. If you need it a little spicier, you can add more, or less spicier, you can add less. Let me check how the soup is. It's delicious and yummy. So let's set the soup aside and work on the chicken now. The chicken is cooled down and let me just open up the chicken and remove all the threads and then cut the chicken into rolls. There you see the roll. Wow. Okay. Using a pan or a griddle pan, you can just lightly add oil to it and place these Swiss rolls, the chicken Swiss rolls onto it to make it a little crispier from both the sides. So once it becomes crispy, it will be very delicious and you'll have a different kind of a flavor to your chicken. So this is almost like preparing in a mousse filled steak, There you go. Both the sides are crispy now. I'm going to remove it, and in the same pan what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the vegetables. I have added the remaining butter and spring onions along with sliced baby beetroots and baby carrots, and then I'm going to add baby corn as well and slightly roast them first. And these are baby asparagus, so I'm just going to add that as well and saute all this together along with honey, some pepper, salt and lemon. So I'm just going to add all this together and saute, and once this is sauteed well, we can start with our plating. So here you go. Let's start with plating in our soup. Delicious creamy avocado soup is ready along with the chicken stuffed Swiss roll, which is mousse and chicken, which is made with chicken and walnuts, and beautifully sauteed vegetables are ready. Want to take a bite on this? Here you go guys, yummy and delicious chicken Swiss roll with the walnut chicken mousse stuffing is ready, and it's served with some sauteed vegetables, which is sauteed with lemon and honey and pepper and salt. Then we have our healthy and delicious avocado soup with us. So there you go. I'll take a picture and share it you have a look at it, and do try this recipe, and please share this recipe as much as possible and give a thumbs up to this healthy recipe and comment on the video below. Thank you. So as you guys are enjoying the pictures, let me take the opportunity to thank the Emirates Culinary Guild for this wonderful platform which is given to us to share our recipe. So thank you once again, guys. Thank you.